now go to the terminology server UI. So we have one demo server running. Right now, you won't see this because we'll need to add you to the approved user. I'll just log out from here. So you'll see this page open up, and we will have to write our credentials here. If you need to test it, you need to get in contact with our team, and we can create a new user for you in order to access this URL and in order to use it. I can also create user. Let me just log in my admin. I can create and manage users from here. So right now, we have 3 users, and I can create a user for someone who needs to use this service in order to test it. So we can provide you with the credentials. Now let's go to the main UI section, which is the search feature. So let's first talk about the code to code mapping. So it means that you can map from one code to another code in different vocabularies. For example, if we enter, let's say E11 here, and we will get all the results. To have the code to code mapping, which is hopping from one vocabulary to another, you will need to select the concept maps. The code system are the filters that we use in order to get the data output. So for the code to code mapping, so the concept maps are used. So the concept maps means like E11 is from, for example, ICD-10, and we want to map it to ICD-9, MedDRA PT or LLT or SNOMED. So you need to click the map codes here first. Enter it again. So you'll see the source code system, which is ICD-10, and it's also ICD-10 CM. So this E11 maps to MedDRA PT or LLT and the UMLS. So if you want that this code source system is ICD-10, and you need the UMLS mapping or the MedDRA mapping, you can just select this from here. So if, for example, E11, I want to map it to MedDRA LLT, I'll just click the search, and you will end up with the source code and the target code system and the target code value. So this code maps the coding system ICD-10 to this code in the target code system MedDRA LLT. So this is how the mapping of the codes happen in terminology service.